Welcome to Periscope on Monday with Sri 50. Ask me any question regarding cinema, politics, or even cricket. I know a little bit about cricket. Don't ask me difficult questions, but you can ask me something. Okay, shoot your questions. It's been a very eventful week, and the biggest event was yesterday when Kapali teaser was released, and it became instantly viral on the net, and it's broken all existing YouTube records by doing almost 60 to 65 lakh views. That is about 6.5 million views in just under, say, 30 hours. I mean under 30 hours, because it was gone live at 11 a.m. yesterday, and today at 5 p.m. it must be somewhere around 6.5 million, which is phenomenal. It's broken the record of Shah Rukh Khan's Dilwale in 24 hours, and almost all of it. And it is leading in Asia. In Asia, it's the number one on YouTube to do 6.5. And I believe that by tomorrow morning it would touch 1 crore. That is something unbelievable, but it's phenomenal. It's phenomenal to touch 1 crore. And that's all because of just one man, Mr. Rajinikanth, the superstar. And it's the way that, the kind of craze that Mr. Rajinikanth has throughout the world. That's the only reason why I can see this touching 6.5. Of course, the teaser was well cut, and Mr. Ranjit has something good to say, and I'm sure it'll rock. Okay, shoot your questions.
Couple of questions. The first from when will be the film releasing?
Kapali will, according to me, as a trade analyst, I don't see it releasing in the next 45 days. There's Tamil Nadu elections on May 16th, and the results will be known on May 19th. And you've got to give it a 2 weeks gap for the new government to settle in. And maybe June 3rd or 4th, the Ramadan period is starting all over the world, during which periods Muslims don't come to the theatre to watch movies. And no big film normally releases outside of Tamil Nadu. There's no Hindi or English films, nobody throughout the world. So since Mr. Rajinikanth has a huge market worldwide, I'm sure the film will release only in the first week of July, on somewhere around July 3rd or 10th.
Sir, Asim Jafar is asking, sir, when is Joker movie releasing?
Joker. I think Joker would be coming in June.
Stunningly Unique is asking, sir, which party will win this election, your opinion?
It's too early days, because Tamil Nadu, the last 3 days are the real days when you can really feel the trend, or you can really gauge who's it. And now it's a neck-to-neck race, as I will go along with the newspapers who are saying, and all the poll indicates a close fight between the DMK friend and the ADMK friend.
Sir, a couple of people are asking about total number of screens in Tamil Nadu.
The total number of screens in Tamil Nadu today would be around 1,250 to 1,300. Some of these screens are not permanent talkies, that is more touring talkies or something. So it's be around 1,000, between 1,250 to 1,300. But every day 1 or 2 more screens are being added, because some of the established screens are becoming 2.
Sir, Karthik 12345 is asking, sir, has Irumugam theatrical rights been sold?
See, there are rumors that Irumugam theatrical rights have been sold to Aura, but I asked Mr. Shibu Tamins, the producer of the film. He says that the deal has not been firmed up as of now, but anything can happen in the next 1 month.
The same Stunningly Unique is saying, sir, your knowledge and approach about cinema is beautiful.
Thank you.
Will you hire Pakistani? Is someone is asking, some troll, I think.
Okay, ask, no problem.
Do you think Arvind Kejriwal was the right when he uses words like psycho for Mr. Modi? I think is asking.
I have a difference of opinion with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and this is not the right platform to talk about Mr. Arvind Kejriwal.
Are you from Tamil Nadu?
No, I've been living in Tamil Nadu for the last 25 years.
Sir, will you? This is Prashant is asking. Sir, will you act in movies if you get chance?
I have repeatedly said I have no even distant dream of acting in a movie, because I don't think I can act for nuts, one thing, and I don't want to make a fool of myself by doing cinema. I'm happy with what I am today.
Sir, Ramnath Shankar is asking, is there any cold war between Vishal and Ajit as portrayed by media?
See, I don't think there is absolutely no cold war or anything like that at the moment. Because there may be, let's face it, one actor may like another actor. That is part and parcel of the game. Because everywhere it is very, very highly competitive. But that doesn't mean that Vishal and Ajit are enemies or something like that.
Sir,
is the total amount. That is, you're paying, for example, in Chennai city, you're paying maximum ticket is 120 rupees. And out of that is the gross amount for one ticket. Let's say for one ticket you're paying 120, and out of that 30% will go as entertainment tax only in Chennai city. Outside of Chennai city the tax are different. So 30% tax going, then the net is 84 rupees 30 paise. 84 rupees 30 paise is the net after reducing 30% from the tax amount from 120. That is the gross amount. You get the net, and this net amount will be shared between the theatre and the distributor. So normally sharing pattern for big Tamil films will be 55% by multiplexes in Chennai city. 55% will go to the distributor or whoever distributes that film. 55 in the first week. Second week the sharing would be different. It would be 50, then it will come down as low as 35%. That means 35% will go to the distributor and 65% will go to the exhibitor in the third or fourth week. Like that is the share.
Sindrayan fans is asking, hi Sridhar, when would Andavan Sabash Naidu?
Sabash Naidu. I'm sure it will be a quickie. It's I think production is starting now in May. It should be wrapped up within 3 months, and it's a comedy movie, and everybody is eagerly waiting for that. There's a lot of hype because Kamal sir is coming doing a comedy after a very, very long time, and I think it should be wrapped up and be ready for release at least before Diwali or post Diwali.
Simha Sena is asking, is Robot 2.0 a bilingual in Tamil and Hindi?
It's a trilingual. It is there in Robo 2.0 is a movie which would be released in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi.
Jashu2209 is asking, your take on Salman Khan's Sultan?
Sultan, I'm very impressed with that Anushka Sharma trailer which came out I think yesterday or day before yesterday. It looks good, and he's playing a role of a wrestler also, something interesting.
Someone is asking, you need to keep your answers short. What about Kapali pre-business? They are asking.
Kapali business or Kapali has not started as it.
Keep answers short is what they are asking. How YouTube views generate revenue?
How?
YouTube views generate revenue.
I think YouTube views are depending basically on Google Ads. I don't think that more number of views can generate more number of views. I wouldn't be really knowing about that much, but it is like that.
Dino Ajit one is asking, Tala 57 announcement.
Tala 57 announcement will happen any moment. I think the producer is waiting for his Dhanush film to release, and immediately after that, in the next 1 month it will happen.
Come on, 55678 is asking, you are the very good reviewer, open separate YouTube channel.
Me? Opening YouTube channel? I am not in that race at all.
Is Vijay's 61st movie officially announced?
No, 61st movie, what he is doing is Mr. Bharathan's movie, and after that his will be the 61st movie.
Will movie ticket prices rise in Chennai after elections?
It looks very much that the movie ticket rates will increase definitely.
What are the top 4 distribution houses in Tamil Nadu?
Top 4. I think it's seasonal because with a hit a new distributor comes in. I think there are a lot of good distribution houses. I can't really offhand say which are the 4.
Is Teri blockbuster?
Teri is a blockbuster.
Somebody is asking, how are you so handsome?
I'm not handsome.
What's total Teri collection?
Teri theatrical collections worldwide. I've just been looking. I knew that a lot of people will be asking this question. Worldwide gross collections of Teri would be somewhere around 150 crores. That's including overseas.
Hollywood movies affect Indian movie business?
I don't think so. Hollywood is just finding a new market for their films.
Thala 57 shooting எப்போதான் சார்?
Thala 57 shooting கண்டிப்பா June, July will start.
When will Thodare release?
Thodare should release in June first week.
Is 24 a solo release?
As of now, it's very clear that 24 is a solo release.
Vedalam and Teri, which one grossed more?
At the moment, it looks very much like Teri is going to gross more than Vedalam.
What is the reason? Because Vedalam, they said it's a blockbuster. What is the reason for?
See, both the films are blockbusters. It's the day of release, and when Vedalam released, it was I think Diwali release, and the floods were there. There's so many issues are there. Please understand, a film has to have a natural run. It has to be, the weather has to be good all over the world for Tamil cinema now. It has to be good.
How is Remo going?
Remo is making very brisk progress. It should be ready for the summer of 2017.
Will the n number of reviews criticizing each movie affect the movies?
A lot, somewhere around. It can affect. I believe reviews, positive reviews also take the film a little forward, but not much.
MGR release confirmed.
MGR has been saying that it's been releasing for the last 6 months. I don't know really. I cannot say pinpoint a date and say.
Which was the highest grossing dubbed film in Tamil and how much?
Dubbed film should be, if you can consider Bahubali as a dubbed film, because basically they say it's a bilingual, but at the end of the day it's been treated like a dubbed film, Bahubali.
Why you speak English in interviews then the audience are Tamil?
I'm more comfortable in English. That is a basic reason, because I'll be making horrendous mistakes in Tamil.
Okay, they are asking you to little bit speak in Tamil also in between.
Okay.
Will 24 join 200 crore club?
It's early days. A film, unless it releases and after 3 days only you can really predict its box office success.
The other question is to that. Will Surya 24 might be the first 200 crore this year?
What?
Will Surya's 24 might be the first 200 crore this year?
That is what producer Gnanavel Raja said. He's trying for 200 crores. Let's wish him all the best.
Will Irumugam be dubbed in to other languages?
Irumugam there will be a Telugu version, that's it.
When will the Kabali release?
Kapali will release positively in July first week.
So many people are from Saudi Arabia watching this live telecast. They are saying, hi, hello from Saudi Arabia. Hi, I am from Saudi too.
Very good. I'm glad. I've been to Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. I have been there. So it's a nice country.
So it's a very, very interesting question. What's the future of Rajinikanth in movies? In your movies or in movies?
Rajinikanth is 65 today, but see the kind of opening his video had, teaser had. It's phenomenal. I think he's there. Till lifetime, till the end, he's going to be a superstar.
Vadivel re-entry.
Good, very good decision that Vadivel is coming back to movies. What he shouldn't have gone to politics at all. I personally feel an actor who's doing well should stick to what he does best.
Someone is asking 2.0 expected release date.
2.0 release date would be summer of 2017.
Kabali release date?
Kapali release date would be July first week or July second week maximum.
Is the 2.0 progressing faster?
Yeah, it's going at the level which Shankar is a big budget film. So Shankar is doing a good job, and normally he takes 18 months to complete a film. It's going as per schedule.
Vijay wants a question, very blockbuster or not, very blockbuster.
I have said here again today, after 13 days, 30 is definitely a blockbuster.
Which is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Chennai.
Your reaction on Kabali and Kabali teaser on the phenomenon it created from yesterday?
I don't think no star in India can create that hype that Mr. Rajnikant did for Kabali.
Why are the postponement of Vishal's and Simbu's movies still a better love?
What is the meaning of? What is the?
Why are the postponement of Vishal and Simbu's movies still a better love?
I can't understand it. Skip it.
Is Kadalam Kadandu, it's a hit. Is Kadalam Kadandu
Kadam is a hit. It is recovered its revenue from theatrical as well as satellite sale, everything.
When will be the Kodi release?
Todari. I think first Dhanush film will be Todari sometime in June, and it will be followed immediately after 4 or 5 weeks by Kodi.
Why so much release of Tamil films? It's annoying.
There are many stars in Tamil cinema, and at least 10 saleable stars who have an opening, and that's why it's doing well.
Thala 57 music director.
Thala 57 music director is Anirudh.
Eda Marivu worldwide collection.
Eda Marivu worldwide collections would be somewhere around 55 to 60 crores.
Ajit Murugadas, is it on the cards?
Nothing is on record till it starts.
Which is your favorite theatre in Chennai?
This question I've answered 100 times. My favorite theatre in Chennai is Satyam Cinemas.
Which TV channel bought Terry rights?
Terry rights, I think Vijay TV is negotiating to buy it. Nothing has been firmed up.
Vedalam Lifetime.
Vedalam Lifetime should do around 80 to 85 crores.
Exact reason for the delay in release of Idu Nammalu and Achame Enbadu.
Idu Nammalu has been dragging its feet. There are many issues regarding difference of opinion between the producer and the hero and so many things. It's to do more with financial issues than anything else.
When will Surya Ranjit project starts?
I don't think immediately it will start. It will take some time.
When will you guys make a movie which doesn't be so fake?
Which one?
When will we, as a movie lovers, Tamil films will do a movie which is not fake? Is what the question is.
This is Tamil Cinema's commercial. It's been like that, and it will continue to be like that.
Thala 57 updates.
Thala 57 updates. I think Shiva would start definitely rolling by June, July. They should roll before June 30th because it's slated as a Pongal 2017 release.
What's your view on movies releasing in private arena like Hero Talkies?
My views are very strong on this. I think they should have these kind of private movies releasing on the video after theatrical release, at least 10 days after theatrical release.
Sardar Gabbar Singh worldwide collection.
I wouldn't be knowing much about Sardar Gabbar Singh, but it definitely would have done around between 80 to 100.
Is there any cricketer playing guest role in 24?
There are rumors.
Who is it?
But I don't know. I mean, I can't confirm the rumors. There are rumors that a cricketer is playing a guest role.
Give exciting news about Thala 57, please, sir.
Thala 57 will be one of the hottest projects. I'm sure about it. Nobody is speaking about me about that film. I asked Shiva, director. I asked the producer. They are all keeping their fingers crossed, and it will definitely happen in June.
Why does the release movie starring Simbu always gets into delays and so many things?
I think it just happens. Sometimes an actor's luck also plays an important role.
Who bought 24 television rights?
24 television rights are with JRTV.
What would be the Kavali gross in your assumption?
In my assumption, it should do around 200 to 225 crores in all the languages. That is Tamil, Telugu and Hindi.
When is the audio release of Achame Enbadu Madamayala?
I think after Idu Nammalu releases.
When can we expect audio release of Irumugam?
Irumugam audio would be released sometime in July.
Is Vedalam being remade in other languages?
I heard Pawan Kalyan is going to make Vedalam in Telugu.
Who will win this IPL? Your prediction?
I think I have not been watching much of IPL because CSK is not there, and very little interest on IPL. But as of now, on form, Gujarat line seems to be heading the tables, and they should be winning.
What can you act in films? You got father look like Prabhu.
I've answered this question before. Not interested.
What is your education qualification, sir?
My educational qualifications. I've done MA Literature and Journalism.
Your take on Terry Chengalpet release?
Terry Chengalpet release, I've got a lot to say that personally I feel that it was a bad thing to happen. The collections would have been at least 15% more today. But I'll give you an inside thing on Terry in Chengalpet. In the last 3 days, it's done extraordinary business when it was released 2 weeks after its commercial release in other places.
Kabali gross in your opinion?
Gross, I cannot predict, but I can definitely say the film will do around 150 crores easily.
24 prediction, the same.
24 prediction, it looks good, it looks slick, and if it takes a good opening overseas market, it should touch around, gross of more than 100.
Do you think Tollywood will be better than Bollywood?
Who? Which one? Kollywood.
Tollywood.
Yeah, Telugu cinema is huge, and they are more budget conscious than what their Tamil cinema is, and they are doing extremely well in overseas markets. Yes.
Released on Sabash Naidu in America and so on.
Sabash Naidu is a good project. Kamal Hassan is playing something which the audience want him to do. A fine, fun, humorous movie.
What do you think about movies uploaded in torrent immediately after release?
I think it's very bad. They should never do that. They are pirates. They should be hunted down and killed.
Do you think the West Indies deserve the triple win, or was it luck?
Little bit of luck and hard work.
Kapali audio release?
Kapali audio release would happen, I'm sure, sometime in by the end of this month.
2016 DMK or ADMK?
Which 2016?
2016 elections.
To DMK or ADMK. It's a tight fight at the moment.
So Vedalam is the highest grosser after Indiran?
Gross, no, because Indiran is the all-time highest grosser.
Will you tell a good profitable production company other than, he has not listed it, any profitable production company?
Profitable production companies, I really don't know much about that.
Reason for Telugu films getting higher collection than Tamil films in USA?
That's a good question actually. There are more number of Telugu people in USA than Tamil people. I think there is almost 3 times more population.
Which industry collects more revenue, Telugu or Tamil?
Tamil worldwide, Tamil collects slightly higher than Telugu, but Telugu has got very good market in US.
On controversy question, the reason for Kamal Hassan's losing popularity?
I think he is still very popular.
What should we do to add more Tamil people in US?
That is not possible.
Is NR a hit or average regarding collections?
It's a hit. I wouldn't say it's great hit or anything, but it collected its revenue and it's profitable for the producer.
Kabali possible release?
This I have answered in the July first week or second week.
What do you think about fan war and social network?
See, fan war has been happening all from 80s, from MGR Shivaji Ganeshan days. Last time also I mentioned this. Rajinikanth, Kamal Hassan in the 80s and 90s. And now it's happening on social network because social network is what we all see. Otherwise it used to be in poster wars. That's all.
AVM's next production?
I don't know about AVM's production at all because they are not into movies.
Singham 2 worldwide?
Singham 2 worldwide must have done, including satellite and other all rights, it must have done around between 80 to 100.
One guy is asking,
No.
sir, you are Brahmin, so you like Ajit.
I don't believe in caste system. Unfortunately, my father at the time of when he put me into school, my father's name was TCS Pillai, so he added Pillai to the name. That's all. Otherwise, I'm not in favor of caste or anything like that.
Will you do a red carpet with Vijay Sethupathi?
Definitely, I've done one recently.
Sari Naidu worldwide. Sari Naidu.
It should do more around 100, 125 crores. It's doing very well.
Why are movies with no bad scenes getting a rating and good movies getting you?
What?
Why are
Huh.
movies with no bad scenes getting a rating, A rating,
Huh.
and good movies getting you?
That you will have to ask the censors, but there is a change going to happen in the censor board shortly, and things would improve.
What kind of change you are expecting from the new censor board?
I am expecting the censor board to rate a film according to the ratings, that it should be above 14, it should be above 16, and there should be also films triple A or some whatever that rating is there, certain meant for the matured audiences.
Your views on English dubbed movies in Tamil.
It's been happening for 20 years. You can't do anything about it.
Should censorship in India become regional so that we can avoid problems?
It's a good question, because I believe definitely censor board should not have a national censor board. Each state should have its own censor board. Then only you can have the regional feelings about it.
Bahubali 2 release.
Bahubali 2 has now Mr. Shobu has said, the producer of the film has said he will release in April, May. He's trying 2017.
English movies are censored again. Is it we are not mature enough?
English movies, sir?
Censored again in India. Are we not mature enough?
I don't think English movies, for example, Revenant, there's just the bad words were just taken off. Otherwise, what you saw in, you see in US or any other overseas market was same thing in India.
Red carpet with Ajit, Vijay, Rajini and Kamal, please.
Red carpet with Ajit, Vijay, Kamal and Rajini is my dream.
Red carpet with Ajit sir. Ajit sir is a must. Is what so many people are.
I would request all Ajit sir fans to tell Ajit sir to come to the press and please talk. That would be great. He's a delight to talk to actually, because a number of times I've interacted with him. He knows a lot about cinema and it's fantastic to talk to him.
Any update about Vijay 61?
Vijay 61, the rumors that Shivaji Productions is going to produce it. That's all I know. Other than that, that is the Bharathan film is 60, right? Vijay 60 is progressing fast.
What are the movies that has done 100 crore worldwide from theatricals? Just theatricals.
100 crores theatrical. Now I think a lot of films will join shortly. But in which language? In Tamil. Theatricals alone. From theatrical alone, it is I think a couple of movies may have done, but I am not going to say other than because Endiran has officially announced it.
Another
Tricky
question. Red carpet with Power Star.
Red carpet with Power Star, yes, possible.
One person has asked why Udayinidhi Stalin movies are denied you, but it's not that way they meant, I think, because you certificate they are getting it. Why they are censored?
Okay. Udayinidhi, very unfortunate that Udayinidhi's films are being denied tax exemption. For example, Uday's Manidan is doing good business, and if a chunk of that goes as collection, it eats into the profit of the film. It's very unfair on the government's part to deny Udayinidhi the tax benefits. He should definitely, his films also should get as much, they should be on par with other films.
Bahubali 2 or Endiran 2, which one in your view do good gross?
Both the films I'm expecting there to do phenomenal business. Bahubali 2, Bahubali is a brand. It's one of the biggest brands, and with the kind of fan following that SS Rajamouli has, and it's going to do wonderful business. And similarly, Rajinikanth and Shankar combination is going to rock.
Which is the second largest market for Tamil films after Tamil Nadu?
Second biggest market now is the overseas market. It's booming.
Giving UA for Jungle Book, is it right in India?
I feel it's okay because what they feel was that some of the scenes were scary and children jumped out of their seats. That's the reason why they did.
Even in US, it's a PG rated.
Yeah, even in US it is PG rated. So
how awesome will Captain Jack Sparrow be in Pirates of the Caribbean 5?
I'm sure it's slated for, I think, this Christmas or something like that.
Next superstar, your opinion?
What are they giving?
They're not given any options. You need to tell them who's the next superstar.
My one superstar, which I predict will never be the superstar, because it's at the end of the day, it's a box office that decides who the next superstar is. As of now, there are 5 people who are ruling the Tamil film industry, and they will rule for some more time.
Any updates on Mani Ratnam's next?
Mani sir's next film is going to be shot in Kashmir. That's what I've been told. And Karthi is playing a pilot, and Aditi is playing a doctor in that movie. And it should start rolling sometime June and July first week.
Why can't we decentralize Tamil Nadu cinema from Chennai and develop studios in the other towns?
That is not possible, because everything is Chennai has an airport, international airport. Chennai has every facility, and you really look at it, in India, Chennai is the best city to shoot films, in the sense that the studios are there and everything is there.
Chennai Moss, hit or flop?
Which one?
Chennai. So Surya's Moss, hit or flop?
Surya's Mass has not done well at the box office.
Veeram is undertour club?
If you take all satellite rights and other things into consideration, Veeram and other films can get into that 100 crore club.
Will 24 beat Vedalam day 1 opening collection?
That is depending on number of screens. Everything depends on number of screens, because first 3 days it's just the screens that count.
Mass average or hit or disaster?
Mass, I would say, is below average.
Singham 2 crossed 100 crore. The same question they are asking.
Singham 2 has, with its satellite right, its Hindi remake rights, everything together, it must have crossed 100 crores.
Rajini Murugan overall gross?
Rajini Murugan overall must have done around 50 crores.
Sir, how many Thalapathy film has 100 crore? Thalapathy means
Vijay movie. Vijay, 1 or 2 movies must have reached 100 crores with satellite rights.
Are Naveen Pali and Dulquer Salman working together?
I don't think Naveen Pali and Dulquer are working together.
What is Surya doing wrong for his movies not doing? It's not a. Did you see that guy knocked out by cricket? Did you see that guy get knocked out by cricket? Red carpet with Vijay plays. Which party has edged him to win this Tamil Nadu elections?
Tamil Nadu elections, as of now, both ADMK and DMK are front runners to win the election, but you can't say anything in this election.
Malayalam movie remade into Tamil, will it make an impact as much as Malayalam?
No, never. I am against remakes.
One funny question. Latika overall collection?
Latika is a hit for Power Star. It's a hit.
Okay. Tala 57 happening or not? Because we did not get any announcement from.
Which one?
Tala 57.
Tala 57 is definitely happening.
Your opinion on reviews done by English people who even don't know the language?
Are you hinting at me?
I think so.
See, cinema language is universal, and especially commercial cinema. Even if you ask a Chinese to see Tamil cinema, he will understand what is going on.
Ajit 57 they release next year?
Ajit 57 is Kandipa 100% 2017 Pongal release.
Has I movie grossed about 200 crores?
It must have done, including all rights, it must have done around 150 crores.
Sir, is Daniel Balaji doing a role in Vijay 60?
That is what I heard.
Was the most powerful brand after Rajini in Tamil? Who?
That is a question that has no answer.
Do you watch any Kannada movies?
I watched 1 or 2 Kannada films.
Do you like the recent Kannada movie which got national award?
Which is
One, the Titiya.
that?
Titiya.
Ditya I haven't seen.
Everyone wants the collections of Vedalam and Teri. Nothing else more powerful in box office after Rajini.
Yeah.
Say something about Tamil talkies.
Tamil talkies, what is it?
Tamil talkies, that online service. Hero.
Hero talkies. Yeah, it's a good thing that Hero talkies and others are coming in and they popularize movies all over the globe.
Why can't you do a video review in YouTube?
I'm happy with what I am at the moment.
Will Santhanam succeed as a hero?
I don't want to answer that question, but really I feel that he was the best comedian in recent times and he should have stuck to comedy.
Will Star Wars Rogue One beat Avatar total gross?
It's somewhere near that at the moment. It has a possibility.
Vijay, Ajit or Surya, your favorite?
I've answered this question 200 times. All three are my favorites and all are good friends. So I cannot say really take sides.
After Pongal, which is the best day to release movie?
The best day to release a film anywhere in the world is April, May. Take that.
Do you think the current scenario of the fight between the fans, do you think in any way it is reducing the box office? Because many people in Twitter are saying that Vijay fan is not watching movies in Ajit fans.
This is a good question. I would answer that question. Does the fan wars on Twitter affect the box office collection? I personally feel both Vijay and Ajit fans watch each other's films. And the fans create the hype around a particular film. There is so much hatred for a particular actor's film that it whips up passion among the opposite side. So naturally, both the fans are fighting at each other, going for each other's throat. It creates a buzz around that particular film. And that's collections are definitely increased because of online wars.
Is it undeniable factor that Telugu movies are progressing faster than Tamil? Do you think so?
Telugu, I feel Tamil cinema is way ahead of others in making good quality content. But as far as commercial cinema is concerned, box office action movies are concerned, yes, Telugu is progressing fast because they are very, very budget conscious.
Your view on multi-starrer?
Multi-starrer is very difficult to happen in Tamil film industry.
Total screen counts of 24 including worldwide roughly.
It will be between 2,200 and 2,300.
Malayalam movie Moganlal, the recent Malayalam movie.
Malayalam movie?
Malayalam movie Moganlal. This is not the question.
Malayalam movie Mohanlal Lal sir, my beloved Lal sir. Yes, he has got Puli Murugan coming up and that would be a big hit, hopefully.
Your favorite restaurant in Chennai?
My favorite restaurant, to be very frank, is Ponnusami at Gaudiya Mutt Road in Chennai.
I am excited of 24. Tamil audience, will they understand that movie?
I am told 24 has been made for the layman.
Twitter or Facebook?
Twitter any day.
Ignoring Rajini sir, who is the most powerful actor with box office?
Who is the most
powerful actor with box office records?
After?
Ignoring Rajinikanth. That means after Rajinikanth, who will be the most powerful?
Most powerful actor after Rajinikanth is two actors called Ajit and Vijay.
Do you meet Ajit sir recent times? Please take photo.
I don't think he likes anybody to take photo with him. No actor likes that. And I don't, if you have noticed me, I don't really go out of my way to take pictures with actors and all that.
Kapali teaser. Your comments.
I thought the Kapali teaser was excellent. I had tweeted about it because it brings out the image of what Rajinikanth was and is today. That is Rajinikanth's mass image. It's done a good job.
Nadigar Sangam cricket was an event hit.
I think telecast rights of Nadigar Sangam has been sold for 7 to 8 crores and that should cover the cost.
Vijay is the king of Kerala and he is number one, sir.
Your choice.
Surya produced a lot. What's full budget of 24?
24 landing cost, I had asked in my interview with Surya, he says it is between 65 to 70 crores. His questions coming up?
You could have played Nakshatra cricket. Vijay is king of Kerala. Sivakarthikeyan's overall market, the highest.
Sivakarthikeyan is one actor who's impressed me at the box office because he has come up very hard way, and he's got Tamil Nadu as well as overseas, he's got a good fan following.
So, a sensitive question. I asked that. Will Vishal marry Varalakshmi?
Will Vishal marry Varalakshmi? I don't know really. Anyway, let's hope they get married.
Have you felt bad for being celebrity in India?
Have you
felt bad for being celebrity in India? Celebrity.
I am not a celebrity, and I have nothing to do with celebrity.
Okay. 65 crores Surya spent. Even many people don't know next week is film releasing. They're talking about the promotion is not.
I think Surya's 24. Surya has done phenomenally well. He's promoted the film. He has gone out, given hundreds of interviews, and because of his interviews, the complete Telugu rights of the film 24 has been sold out.
So, what is the one change you want to see in the film industry to increase more transparency and more market value production?
Good question. I would say that transparency should be there, like what the Kerala government is planning to computerize ticket sales. It's a must, and it will happen in Tamil Nadu. I'm sure it will happen, because then you cannot, then a person like RentTrack, an organization like RentTrack can keep the collection figures up to date, and producers should announce their collections, whether it is a flop or a hit. They should say. Here what is happening is that there is nothing which is, you can really say that transparency is missing. So I feel that the single biggest thing would be computerization of tickets.
Does Tamil heroines have a market value?
Yes, Tamil heroines definitely have a market value. Look at Nayanthara. She's concentrating only on Tamil cinema, and she's doing very well.
What do you think about the Thala 57 producer Satya Jyoti confirmed?
Thala 57 producer is Satya Jyoti Tyagarajan. He is one of the most professional production companies, and he's been there for 35 years, and he is very, very good. He is R.M. Veerappan's son-in-law, and his two sons are now running the show. But they are a very professional outfit, and I'm sure Thala 57 will start rolling by June, July.
Ajit and Vijay don't promote movies like SRK. Why?
That you will have to really ask them why they don't promote their film. I feel that they should promote their film. There's nothing to hide, and why they should come out and promote their film aggressively like SRK or any Hindi actor does.
What do you think of producers and at times they go overboard like what they done in Terry is what the question I meant to be.
What producer?
Producers Union doing overboard in terms of the issue with the Terry and other things, what lot of.
In Tamil cinema, there's a lot of politics in these things are bound to happen.
What happened to Vishwarumam 2?
Vishwarumam 2, I think there's a difference of opinion between the producer, Mr. Kamal Haasan, the actor Kamal Haasan, and he co-produced it with Mr. Oscar Ravichandran, so they have some matters to be sorted out.
Your views on horror comedies, do you enjoy it?
I have no comments to make on horror comedies.
All the Vijay fans are now coming. Why Vedalam is flop, sir? Ask.
I already said Vedalam is a hit.
About SRK's last fan, the fan mode.
Okay. SRK's fan movie, I loved it, and I really love that film. The way it's been made, it is the actual. It's very realistic film. But unfortunately, it hasn't done the kind of business which is other films have done.
In US, 275 screens for 24 film. It's huge. Is it huge?
Yeah, definitely. For Tamil and Telugu version put together to get 2,200, 2,400 screens worldwide is very, very good.
Your view on Harbhajan Singh's spat with Ambati Raju yesterday?
I haven't seen the television spat as it is, but I just read it about it somewhere. Harbhajan has been slapping his colleagues on the cricket field. He slapped, I think, Srishant once upon a time. So he needs to be disciplined.
True superstar don't need to promote, sir. I disagree. Is what one of the fans.
True superstars in modern times, everybody needs to promote whatever they are doing. Even in Hollywood, people come out and promote their films, and now they are doing worldwide. Earlier in America, they used to promote only in US markets, but now big even James Bond film, the hero or even the director comes to Singapore to promote their film, and soon it will happen in India also. Next James Bond film is going to be promoted maybe in Mumbai and Chennai.
How about Times of India, Vijay, GV, Dhanush problem?
I don't want to get into that because I work for Times of India.
Surya has a market in Telugu. It's advantage for him to overtake Vijay and other stars.
There's nothing called overtaking business. There's a number of crores that your film does business. One film may do well, the other film may not do well.
One fan is asking why you are not replying for my question.
No, what is the question he is asking?
But we don't know. What is the one suggestion you give to new filmmakers who are making films with new star cast?
It's a tough job, but you can go ahead, make films with newcomers.
Please talk in Tamil Nadu. You are in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
What are the expectations about the Irumugam?
நிறைய எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு.
About Iravi.
Iravi, Karthik Subraj படம். A lot of expectations இருக்கு.
Why don't you act in the role of father? The same question. Total collection Tamil Nadu. Do you think Vijay Anthony and G.V. Prakash can last long as an actor?
G.V. Prakash and Vijay Anthony as actors. They are going through a purple patch at the moment, and I am nobody to tell them to stop acting, and they will continue to do films as long as they hits.
Tala 57 Bujay.
Tala 57?
Bujay.
Okay. Pujay June nalu.
At least next film, what?
At least next, I read some newspaper report it is Mahesh Babu, but it's not confirmed.
Your role in Producers Union, do they coax you to give a news? What is that?
I don't know. I mean, I am independent of everybody.
About AAA, Simbus.
It looks interesting, nice catchy title.
Will Dhanush ever be a superstar like his mama, or at least be in top 5?
He's doing well.
Will Talai 57 and Vijay 60 clash on Pongal?
It looks like that at the moment.
What's your view Prashant's career? Actor
Prashant's career. Well, he's still trying, and I'm wishing him all the best.
One question Imran Khan is asking: why in most of movies Muslims are stereotyped as terrorists? Is it
as
terrorists? It's reality or not? It's not like that.
No, Muslims they have not been portrayed properly in Indian commercial cinema. Yes, his question is good because most of the places Muslims have been shown as terrorists, especially in Hindi commercial cinema and big Tamil commercial cinema. It's just the producer found it easy. That's it. Or the director found it easy.
But now they are also fighting back, so you cannot portray in a bad shape.
Yeah, you can never portray them in that shape.
Why don't you produce a film?
I have better things there to do than produce a film.
Any thoughts of producing film? If so, with whom?
I will never ever produce a film, and it's because it's not a professionally run organization to produce a film.
Russian sexy girl is saying hi to you.
Russian sexy girl. It must be some troller somewhere. Yeah, hi to you.
What are your future plans?
My future plans? Well, I'll just go on doing this till my end. That's it.
Review Prashant last week உங்களுக்கு போட்டியா இல்லைன்னு Periscope. What do you think of it?
Prashant. It's Prashant. Poti to me. He's a good friend. I mean, there will be so many potis everywhere. Part and parcel of it.
Sir, your age?
My age? I'm on the wrong side of 50.
Sir, about Zilla and Veeram.
No. What is this about Jilla and Veeram? Both the films are released and gone.
See you regularly in Mylapore.
Mylapore. I hardly visit Mylapore. I stay in Adaya.
Sir, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movies are mostly Maniratnam movies.
So for the Muslim questions, the guy has replied saying, "Thanks, Sri. You are proved you are a gentleman."
Nothing. I am just saying that Muslims have been portrayed in bad light in certain films. I don't want to mention the name of the films. Yes, it's been portrayed like that because that is the perception created mostly by the media and other things.
Sir, your relationship with Vijay?
My relationship with Vijay is good, very good.
Do you like beef?
Due to religious reasons, I don't take beef.
As a film analyst, what are the challenges?
Plenty of challenges.
Can you explain to us in few words more? Plenty challenges.
First and foremost, I like to review a film and put it up on the first day of the release day itself, which is becoming increasingly difficult.
Sir, does Maniratnam need a rebranding from Love?
Mani sir is comfortable making romantic movies and he's been doing that for ages. Please allow a person which he's comfortable doing a particular thing. Let him do that.
Do you drink?
Do you drink? If you ask me that question, yes, I'm a social drinker, if you want to put it that way. Yes, I have the occasional beer and I'm fine. I mean, I drink. My age, there's nothing wrong in having a drink.
One hardcore Ajit fan is asking. Other 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, what?
Hardcore Ajit fan, yes, it will happen. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62.
Hindi dubbed films ever got a good collection in Tamil. Why?
Because Telugu films are more regional in content rather than Hindi films.
Which is the only movie you have given 5 or 5 in the rating?
I haven't given any film 5 out of 5 so far, and maybe I would have given to Titanic if Twitter was there at that time. Some of the earlier films I may have given 5 out of 5. Recently, the highest rating that I have given 4.5 out of 5 was for the Jungle Book. I really enjoyed the movie and I saw it 2 times.
What is whether the OK Kanmani is hit or flop?
OK Kanmani is a big hit. If you don't look at theatre collections alone, from the other rights and overseas, it's done extraordinary business, and Mani sir has made a lot of money on it.
One line about opening of Tala Ajit movie.
Phenomenal.
How would you compare with your wife? Whose analysis is best?
That's a difficult question. She analyzes movies her ways. I do it my way.
We have 52 Fridays. Some festival days releasing more than 200 Tamil movies. How can people watch?
But it's been happening. I can't stop a guy from producing a Tamil film. Right?
Sir, about you gave only 4.25 or 5 for Titanic 3D.
3D. 3D, first of all, I don't like in 3D movies. Generally, I avoid, and Titanic 3D was, I want to see the original 1991 Titanic.
Sorry,
97 Titanic.
Update about thalassemia. What is that? Thalassemia. Thalassemia.
I don't know.
Please Thalas 57 update. Thalas 57 about. People are literally. Everyone is thinking you are a Thalas 57 producer.
How do I know?
About award functions and the awards giving based on the artists coming. What do you think about it?
Award functions in India are generally for television. And definitely you need artists to come. I know how difficult it is for an artist to be called and him to be brought to an award function. And award functions are the most boring things in the world are the award functions when it takes place. It goes from 4 hours to 6 hours at times. And all these performances, they are meant for television. They are not meant for the common man. And as far as awards are given, yes, the star who comes for an award will be given an award. That's part and parcel of the game. Don't think it's another Oscar or it's some rocket science or something like that.
Which team you are supporting today, KKR or ES?
I would go for KKR.
Satyam's popcorn or cream donut?
I love both.
Have you been to Dubai?
Many times I've been to Dubai.
Any plans coming here?
Sure, I'll be there soon.
When is the last time you have completely enjoyed a Tamil movie in theatres?
I have enjoyed a lot of movies recently in theatres.
Tungavanam hit or flop? Please asking me.
Tungavanam is an average grosser. It's not a hit.
Are awards rigged?
Awards rated.
Rigged.
Awards are just for television. Whoever comes for the awards will be given the awards.
Which is your pick from this, Palazzo or Escape?
I've been used to Escape for a long time. Palazzo, I love Palazzo. But collection-wise, Palazzo is far above any other theatre in Chennai City.
Are you an engineer?
No, I'm not an engineer. I'm just literature postgraduate.
One wish you have in life?
Nothing. I'm happy with what I am. The happiness should continue. That's all.
Fans are asking, please tell 350 to call director Shiva and tell us. Mari hit or flop average?
Mari is a hit.
Is Vedam cross 100 crore? Please ask.
Vedanam has definitely, with all the theatrical collection and the satellite rights and other rights put together overseas, everything together, Vedanam would have crossed 100 crores.
Your favorite Hindi director?
My favorite Hindi director at the moment is Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
One regret in life?
One?
Regret in life?
I have personally no regrets in life. That's it. I'm happy with what I am.
Please call Talak producer, 57 producer and ask updates. I want today. Fan gross is not as expected. Do you think what is the reason for that?
Fan?
Gross.
Fan gross because a lot of people didn't like the second part of Fan. That it became too dark. That is the reason.
Is the e-ticketing comes to Tamil Nadu theatres, does that mean there will be a dip in box office? E-ticketing is what the Kerala.
See, it's a good question. There will never be a dip if they show the actual facts about the ticket rates. But unfortunately in Tamil Nadu, till now, the ticket rates and the actual rate a person pays has no relationship. The first 3 days, everybody knows an open secret that the tickets are sold at an exorbitant rate and that they cannot show it on paper.
Who is N.A. Noki Pai Tota's music director?
That's still a mystery. They haven't said who it will be.
Tangamagan verdict worldwide.
It has not done well. It's a failure.
N.A. Arindal verdict.
N.A. Arindal is a hit.
Best holiday place for you?
For me, best holiday place has been, I hardly go for holidays because of all these commitments. I like Adaya as the best place.
What is ideal runtime for Tamil movies?
Ideal runtime for Tamil movie between 2 hours and 2 hours 15 minutes. That's it.
Had you called Ajit sir yesterday to wish him?
No, he's not that accessible for me to pick up the phone and call him.
Your interview with stars are prepared or impromptu?
They are never prepared. They are mostly impromptu.
Where do you stay at Adaya? Even they asked him come to your house itself.
I live in Adaya, that's all.
Please tell us the verdict about Ajit's last 4 films. Arambam, Veeram, N.A. Arindal, Vedalam. Please.
They are all made money for their producers.
When will the next A.R. Rahman rise? Is Iman A.R. Rahman is what the question is.
Iman is doing very well. I would say nobody should be compared to another person, but Iman is going places.
Lingam movies enter into 100 crore in just 3 days, but why producers?
Rajnikant has an opening, and worldwide his films will do that.
So, for the holiday, someone has said that I live in Netherlands, please come here. King of BGM.
Love too. I'm planning actually a holiday somewhere. But
who is King of BGM?
King of?
BGM, background music.
King of background music, a lot of people change. It depends on the subject of the film. I'm very impressed with Santosh Narayan's BGM for the Kabali teaser.
Your favorite food?
My favorite food actually is that just idli and coconut chutney.
Ajit sir lose weight. He's losing weight for the new movie.
I wouldn't know. I haven't seen him for a long time.
If you direct a movie, which hero and heroine?
I will never direct or produce or be part of any film. I would just like to sit outside and watch.
Top 5 best editors in Tamil cinema. Whom you rate?
I rate a lot of new young guys are very interesting. I like Praveen's editing. Praveen, the national award winner, he's very good. Actually, I liked it in Kapali.
S3 expected release date.
Which one?
S3, Singham 3.
Singham 3, I think, would be sometime November, December.
Shankar or Murugadas, who is?
Both are my favorites, and maybe Shankar has the edge.
Any idea about Tala 58 and 59? Will Murugadas join with Ajit?
That is a $64 question that people are asking, whether Tala will join with Murugadas. It's bound to happen.
Sir, what man is saying? Sir, please come every day to Periscope for time pass.
Yes, I don't mind giving you entertainment. So
Top 3 directors after Shankar in Tamil, according to you?
Top 3 directors. Murugadas is good. Karthik Subbaraj is good. And above all, Mani Sir is there.
Your take on 10 Cloverfield Lane.
Okay.
10 Cloverfield.
I'm not seen it. I'm planning to see it tonight.
Okay, so the fans has come very this.
Okay, shall we close it?
Just one last question.
Yeah.
Come Periscope with Surya sir and any celebrity, please.
Definitely, I will. Next week, I will try to have a celebrity for the show. And thanks a lot. The questions were too much, and I have to close down. I have to rush. Thank you.